Our fight for the next generation. Oh, coba dicoba coba sakau yang payu. Ini mo, ciri fighting sio. Ini mo pada datuk pembuka. Ciri honorable president sa pikiran mula hamai maya painai. Ciri autonomous district council di areas ni. Ciri council chairman. Ciri jawari sana hamai painai. Ciri Tripura ini cabinet minister. Ciri Unimes Department sana hamai painai. John honorable executive member of the DNC. Honorable MLAs of Tripura Legislative Assemblies. John Tojini, YTM leaders. DWP leaders. John dignitaries. Federal Khaka hamaya payo. Vises ka kumulya phe khaka hamaya phanai. Dini phuani pasta jiba chahiye. Mai chuchu ye gari ho dai chahiye. Ni do phari mo pala mo phani ro. John to bapu pura kumulya payo. Hamaya maya phanai. Dini mo pala no. For the third time. Tripura itihas ho. Tripura sarang thumai mo. 12 तारीख मार्च 2022 में सा 12 तारीख नवंबर 2022 में हा 27 नवंबर 2025 Poverty Itihas gathering unitedly all three notice the pro जो solidarity for family बा पाना वो तीन वो mass gathering बा rally हुआ क्या इतिहास ये उठाऊं तो मुता pro तीन बड़ो जगह जो सत्मा को पाके बोसे तीन जो फादर फैने नरवारों के जो को खोलेंगे আর তিনি বলি বেলি হোস্ট তিনি মহারাজ নিচে তো গপ ফলে নাই বাবা পানাতা ফ্রম ফ্রম তো সারবা পাদালে বনো জাস্ট থাওয়া তোলে না নাই থাওয়া নিমসিও তো ইয়র মারি মাই নাই আর থানাই 5 বছর তো স্ট্রাগল খেয়ে থানাই 5 বছর তো থামারি চিন্তি প্রসারণ করা দেশাইয়ে সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট যেভাবে জমা ধোয়া সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট ইজ ডিনাইড সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট ইজ রিফিউজ টু লিসেন টু আওয়ার ভয়েস এন্ড ক্রাইস অফ দি প্রজা Our panel to the war, notice the pro, all the 8 sisters, including Sikkim, all the 8 sisters, our team will be to the Prasari Padawa. Our panel Masarai, the Prasari Yomari Pen Padawa, Bisi Balu Shiata Pro, Tini Bala Boshawi Tamara, this Kamatus, Purnima Tibiri Panai, Tini Maharaja leaders in Shindoi, Tapura Pro to Shio, Tapura Pro to Shio. India independent. Chile Bharat also independent one Padamo. The Northeast leaders and the priestly independent state of Tripura people had contributed so much for independence of our country. We Northeast people, we always proudly introduce ourselves that we are a proud citizen of our country. Once upon a time, our Tripura state was known for the extremism. We were known for the extremism. But the government of India never tried to know why the people of Tripura had joined the extremists. Government of India never tried to know why these young boys and girls leaving their families behind had flee to the jungles. We have enough contribution for the independence of our country. What in return? What do we get in return? After the merger agreement, the government of India will fulfill and hope that our government of India will take care of our rights, our protection. But what we have seen in return, government of India has never paid attention to our cry. Therefore, forcibly being the people of Tripura, we have formed. We are bound to form the extremists. We are bound to form several times the organization, the Anjali Party, the regional party, to fight for our rights against the government of India, against the consent of the government of India. The Constitution of India is being framed, irrespective of all colors, all religion. We are equal. We are equal. But though the Constitution says that we are equal in our country, irrespective of all tribes, but in really practical, we have never seen, we have never felt, we always felt that we are divided, we are ignored. Therefore, we are bound to form, we are bound to raise our voice. Let the government of India think, response to our cry. If they really consider that we, the Prasas, are their citizens, it is their responsibility to take care of its own citizens. Ono salim chota pura pura, pama kam salim saya if I ever get opportunity ang sarai ay yung kani kong tini ang sakya ko ang next time sa meta kurang kurang ako pa daw diri notice to leaders though they are not tao present ya kono ang pro hamay mario diri thama phai to support ke pemo pa daw ami di pasara tu pa nai troy maharashtra nai kono mai chung dai ni lu mari mai to joto chung thama to na joto ta kurang kurang di pasar lauli maharashtra lauli dai ni chung te ko mai so khaksa to
belai belai ke hambai